Y'all, ain't turned on this camera in a while. What's up? Oh no.
Yes, oh no is correct.
Oh no.
Please no. Excuse you.
Shut your ass up. How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Right there.
Huh?
5.
It's a nice one. I know Mom would like that color. BMW right there. Yeah, right there. That's not important.
No.
That's not important. Oh snap, there's two BMWs in front of each other.
The one at the front is the new turbo one that came out with that like.
And it looks older than that.
No, it's good.
Y'all see, we in a different car for a couple days, got a rental. With babe and Mom is going down to Miami with her girls dinner. I ain't going because honestly that'd be kind of awkward to go to somebody who really ain't know them. To me, it's just awkward. I mean, I don't know. I send my condolences with my husband. And no Erlen. Erlen is gone for the moment. Head low, guys, for a moment of silence in my baby's empty car seat. Thanks, baby.
No, just say no.
No, because I know you were out there getting wet. I love you.
Love you too, babe. This is, I think, the sides, and that's half a rack. That was 15, and then with the sides.
Woo, Lord.
Yeah, they're like for real. That's
Yes, bitch. Yes.
for some utensils.
Yeah.
Call this.
Some beans.
Ah,
Motherfucker, don't drop it on my damn dress, y'all. See what happened when you want to be fat, babe?
Shut your mouth. You get here.
Definitely smoky flavor. Yeah, his beans don't be like his black people beans though.
I get broads in Atlanta. Credit cards in the sky. Wake up the bloody sun. What you like? Baby, as a first time of the club. I be pulling up in the fun. I got plenty of stuff with Bugatti.
Yeah, that macaroni is different. I don't know if I'm filming the macaroni. But yeah, I figured I would show y'all. It's real.
I made you taste this.
I was feeling 3 sizes too big. Yeah, to you. Feeling is a different matter. Oh yeah, little pink ones.
That pink one that's right there, would that be too big for you?
Which one? At the farthest one? No, that's what I was looking at. It's gonna be mine. Like, yeah, that's gonna be mine.
We need to find out what kind of make that is. See if they know anything about it.
There, y'all. She's cute.
The pink one, the first pink one, on the second row.
Then likely, I'm probably gonna go pick a baby girl and then just go home. I don't know. But this rain is fucking up whatever little plans we did have. And more than likely, they're gonna call baby and you a bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, learning quicker, smoking weed, the liquor, to make a steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, me go get yourself, so you'll be lonely. 11 years old. Always had that dream, like my daddy before me.
So I started writing songs, I started
Writing stories.
something about that glory. Just always seems to bore me, cause only those I really love and them for really know me. When I was 7 years old, slowly got to
Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared. Woo! Okay, I'm turning off. Bye. My freaking gosh, y'all. This rain. Y'all, this rain is scaring me. And I am so serious right now. Y'all, take a look outside. You can barely even see. I was just laughing a little bit because it was slight funny. The guy right here in this van that just got out, he was trying to run with his like little... Yo, this lightning is crazy. I can feel the car shaking, y'all. Like the car is shaking. And this lightning is so bright. I'm like real deal fucking nervous. Yo, where's my fucking husband? There he is. Yeah, babe, please come. I'm so scared. Yeah! What the fuck? Yo, babe! This lightning! Babe, this shit got me so fucking scared in here. No, I'm serious. The car was shaking.
This is ridiculous.
Babe, we're not moving, yo. No, I'm serious. The car was just fucking shaking. I was just telling
why
them.
is this not getting hot?
It is. I'm hot. Shit.
The fuck?
Yo, this lightning.
They were like, oh, you're welcome to stay in if you want to. Like, oh, my wife is in the car.
He's like, oh damn, must suck to be married right now. It must suck to be married.
Yeah, the one.
Yo, it's fucking. Yo, this shit is crazy.
This is ridiculous.
I'm sorry, it's like a bug. I mean, look at Babe's face. Babe is like, so, yo, this lightning is off the chain.
Yo, that breeze, yo.
Yo, I was just telling them, this guy right here that got out of the van when he was coming in with, hold on.
Yeah, so you gotta faithfully remind me to put down on this.
I will. I'll tell them that you was just putting down on the gun for me.
It's a good fucking deal. You got a nice ass case. You end up with 3 fucking clips, and they usually just come with 1 clip. Got like look like a little thing that you put in.
Nigga, it's hot. You don't need to burn me up.
Check it out. Yeah. So
yo, this lightning, I'm so
2 Saturdays
fucking
from now,
scared.
I'm gonna put down 60 to 100 every time until it's paid off for. And then when it's paid off for, I just gotta put $5 for your background check. And you said you don't have any felonies, right?
Obviously, why would I lie about that? If I had felonies, you would have been found out. Look how much shit I done had to deal with you.
So you good to go. You get yourself a good.
Been married 5 years. You gonna ask me?
Pistol fire.
You don't have any felonies, right?
P938. Semi-automatic.
Woo, yeah, that's the most it just slowed down. Yo, y'all, I think we're like right in the middle of like a fucking hurricane or something.
Yeah, you should have told them when we just looked at the radar.
Yeah, we were looking at the radar, whatever. Yo, this shit. This is crazy. Woo! Look at all this fucking, I don't know if y'all can see that.
We're gonna be here for a little minute.
Yeah, we're gonna like be here for a minute. Cause I've already been sitting out here for like what, 10 minutes by myself. So, yeah. Thank you, baby. Kiss. This might be our last kiss. Come on.
Excuse you?
Y'all was tonguing me.
They didn't see anything.
I'm so fucking nervous. Oh! I'm so nervous. Yeah, the car is shaking.
After we get yours, there's one that
okay, y'all. I'll see y'all later. I gotta go. I'm about to be brave and try to show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all can't even see out the fucking window, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm tripping right now, but I feel like y'all need to see that. I feel like, yo, what the fuck? This is crazy. We've never been stuck in rain like this before. Yo. What the fuck?
This is ridiculous.
I am so scared.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
This is supposed to be a happy day.
I'm glad we weren't driving down to Miami.
I don't even know if I want you going down there no more with all of this shit.
Obviously, it's gonna be gone by.
You don't fucking know that.
Yes, I do. You forget that's what we live on, the radar.
With this, you might not be going anyways because they might call your ass. Do you not see this fucking rain? You
They already know I'm going down to Miami, so I'm good.
I wouldn't even try to make that fucking trip.
Like I said, we live off the radar. We study these things basically, and it's not gonna be here all night. That's what I'm saying.
Woo! Why are you looking? I'm scared. I want to go on my baby.
She's in a house, my love.
Oh my gosh, babe, I've never been in rain this bad. Like, I'm seriously scared.
You don't need to be in no hurricane. You will not survive.
Fuck no, I will not. I'm scared. What the fuck? Oh my gosh. I don't even want to put my head out, man. I'm scared. We need to go in that pawn shop. Why are we not in the pawn shop? Y'all tell him to go to the pawn shop. That man said we could go in. What the fuck we still in the car for?
Because he thought that I was going to drive off, but fuck that. Yeah, they stupid.
They stupid as fuck, man.
See, because they don't got the radar. My radar.
Yo, you should feel my heart, man.
Just say no.
Calm down, Capone. Jesus covered his car. Jesus, you got his car, Lord. I know you got his car. I ain't worried about it. So, y'all, as you can see, it's still raining. The lightning's pretty fucking bad still, but the rain itself is, I would say it's died down compared to what it was, but obviously it's still fucking bad. Babe is currently finishing up his meal. He was like, man, I'm gonna finish eating because he's a fat ass.
Nope.
All that grease on your lips.
Nope.
But yeah, I don't even, it's 6:11, so we've been sitting here I've been sitting here in the car for at least a little over 25 minutes, but Babe's been sitting here now with me for like, what, 15? 10? 10? I don't know. 15. Okay. But yeah, so like, we just finally turned the car back on, and I turned the camera back on because the lightning literally all was so fucking bad. I was like, yo, we're gonna die out here and we're never gonna see our baby again. It's that fucking bad. So, see, there it goes again. Nervous. But yeah, y'all. So, hopefully, you know, y'all just pray for us and that we make it home safe. Babe was laughing at me because, like, I was crying, but, like, I was really scared for a second. Like, really scared. So, we're about to try to get back on our destination. No, we're not. We don't. Stay right here for a second until it's calmed down a little more. I'm still not ready to move.
Ain't no motherfucking amateur driver, motherfucker. You drive slow, you be alright.
Man, y'all just be with us, for real. Had a family member die from lightning and too many accidents. I'm just bad nerves right now. Anxiety is sky high. All right.
Oh, that has got to suck. That's the same road I told you they had cones blocking the whole road. Because I guess that must have happened to somebody previously. Damn, you gotta show them all that.
Yeah.
Oh shit, somebody's in it now. Yeah, I think somebody's in it now. They're running up to it. And you still gonna go? Are you fucking stupid?
People are, I should have just videotaped that.
People are
Stupid. Yo, their whole half a car just got covered. The person was literally stuck. They couldn't even move.
Yo, what is going on? We can't move.
Yo, we cannot fucking move, y'all.
What the
fuck? Why is this happening? I just want to go home.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this is some bullshit.
This is...
I don't want to be on the road anymore. I just want to be in my house in safety. I'm fine with knowing my daughter is safe. I just want to get out of this craziness. This is fucking crazy. Oh, y'all, I should have had that kid, the camera. Oh, what the hell? We just saw that idiot. He's like, oh, well, I'm an SUV. I can go through.
Know?
Fucking idiots. Yo, no, that road back there, that car got halfway covered. That was fucking crazy. Okay, I'm about to show y'all. I don't know what the fuck is going on up here.
Electricity went out.
Oh, electricity. Yo, what the fuck? This is...
Well, he's good. And them trucks like that, they definitely good. Look at him. Want to stunt and go off fast.
Don't forget to download.
Fuck you, ho. Fuck you, ho, in the truck.
Damn. This fucking sucks.
Oh my goodness. Shoot. I'm too nervous, y'all. So I had to hit me a blunt, y'all. I'm motherfucking nervous and shit. My nerves shot. Feel like I'm about to die today. It's too much for me, man. It's too much. And these motherfuckers driving without lights and shit.
Because it's draining the water.
Yeah, the water's draining, y'all, but it's still
high.
flooded. That's why I'm like, this is some serious shit right now. Like, if y'all was in it, I wish I could, like, explain it, but it don't look serious, but this shit is serious because the shit is draining, but yet the road is still fucking flooded. How the fuck?
Poor drainage system.
Poor drainage system.
That's crazy. And it's draining, but once again.
Poor fucking drainage system.
Yeah, this road must be that high while they
Oh yeah, and we're by the school. What is it? The FSU?
FIT.
I mean the FIT school. That's where we're at over here. It's like 15 minutes away from our house. Yeah, we live over here by FIT. Yeah, got to direct traffic because the lights blew out. Oh yeah, for those of you that don't know, you know, this will be up, you know, on the Kaz Williams channel. You know, I put a little something or whatever together. Put all the clips. So check us out on YouTube. Tripping.
Wow.
Here, take it from me. Okay.
There's that truck he trying to go, but
Yeah.
they blocked off the road trying to be all slick
Yeah.
and shit. Fucking idiot. Do what?
Sam. Oh, never mind. He's about to go now.
Yeah, that's what you get for trying to be slick.
Yep, that black truck right there, y'all. He what's it
how
called?
high it is.
Yeah, no, but he had to turn around.
Look at that other car.
Cause the other road, yeah, cause the road down there is flooded, y'all. Oh shit!
Easy.
Oh, this is fucking crazy, y'all. Mind you, we have fucking drainage.
Second, like,
This is fucking crazy.
ridiculous.
Like our roads never get like this. Never go home. I got motherfuckers around here riding without their lights and shit. Y'all need to have your fucking lights on. Real shit. Y'all need to have them shits on.
When that finished, man.
Damn. This is
Miami to go to a funeral with my sister. And Mama Duke's in the back. Promised wifey that I'd do a little bit of vlogging, so here I go. I'll be back. What's up? We in the Walmart that's like maybe a mile and a half away from the church. Had to get some church clothes real quick. You know, them 30. Had to get me some pants, shirt, socks, and undershirt. Yeah, but next video will be from the church. All right. Hey, what up, y'all? We driving back from the funeral, and we made a little quick stop to where Daddy's buried.
Look like they got rid of the fire ant.
Happy Father's Day.
Why are you stuck? Little boy. You play so much. Stop. Okay. Oh my goodness. You be tripping. Papa. play so much. My eyeball and shit. You're gonna be 5 months soon, son. You're gonna be 5 months soon. My mommy did football. And lick my eyeball and shit, man.
Tell me everything's okay.
What's wrong with you? Oh yeah, you guys see she spilled juice. Well, not she, but Steven. But it doesn't matter because we're getting rid of this couch and we're getting another leather one from the thrift store that I was telling you guys about on Facebook. So we'll be getting something to replace it, so I don't really care. Hey Jay. Hey there, baby. Hey there, baby. Wait, secret? Oh my god. Oh, be careful. You hit the head. Be careful. Have a kiss? Oh yeah? Why are you so mean to me? That's not nice.
50% off top brands. Plus free delivery and up to 60 months financing available. Receive a free gift card
Oh yeah?
worth up to $300. Get to Sears now.
Mm.
Dear baby, you're the only one who knows the sound of my heart from the inside. I can't wait to hold you, kiss you, and hug you. We cannot wait to witness the incredibly special bond we will share. I want you to feel as safe and protected as you do right now. The first hug is from you. Make sure the second hug feels just as good. New Huggies Little Snugglers diapers provide our best.
She liked to play with the lighters.
You're watching Body Stuff. Right here on Nick Jr. Hey guys, how's playtime? Oh, I had the best playtime ever. Lady Woof Woof, I hope you had fun because I had fun.
No.
Oh, Lady Woof Woof enjoyed herself. Oh, good. Hey, Kelsey.
Nope.
Excuse me.
Yeah, these roads seem a little quiet today. Ain't no school and shit. Damn, y'all, it's hot as fuck outside, man. I ain't even gonna sit here in front. It's hot as fuck. I'm already regretting this trip. And it's all the way up there, over the tracks. So I still got like another 10-minute walk. Whew. Shit ain't no joke. I feel a headache coming on from me having to scrunch up my face. Make sure ain't nobody behind me and shit. We just enjoying this beautiful day though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? For me, this is what life all about. Trying to spend it with the ones that you love and shit, you know. Never taking each day for granted. Yeah, like yesterday, you know, plans fuck up, you just move on to the next shit, you know? So, yeah, y'all. It's like being able to take y'all on my journey and shit, you know? I mean, I don't really know even what my journey is about yet, because, I mean, I'm still yet to figure that out, but when I figure that out, I'll let y'all know. Whew, fuck, it's hot. My baby out there burning, I know she is. So I need to get a car so I can stop doing this shit, though. But yeah, y'all, see y'all in a little bit, alright? Bye! So I'm walking back. So, now I'm mad. So I'll see y'all on the fucking flip side, because I'm turning the camera off now. Okay, so what we got to do? He got me some, what is it called?
Steak Dorito Bowl.
From Tijuana Flats.
Yeah.
It smells so yummy. So yummy. Can't wait. Why I gotta open it? Why can't you open it?
Here we go.
If only I could smell that. It has guacamole and green onions and white onions. Or is that green onions? What is this?
Scallions.
Yeah, I mean scallions. I guess green onions. And then his is the same thing, but it has like the jalapenos. Yeah, he's always eating this. It's a lot. Watch him put it in the plate, y'all.
I don't know what you're talking
It's
about.
a lot of fucking food. It's fucking ridiculous. Like, it's a lot.
Excuse me.
I don't even know where to start. Thanks, baby. You want to bring us something to drink to share, or you want your own? Well, to save the trouble, I guess you could just bring us both something. I mean, like to share. Fucking talking to me like you crazy. You done lost your rabbit ass mind. You know I will beat your ass.
I'm talking to you like I'm the fucking man of the house. That's how I'm fucking talking to you.
Oh yeah, y'all hear this? Y'all hear this?
Excuse me?
Say it again for the people.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Say it again for the people.
I don't know what you're talking about. Excuse me.
You the man in the house,
Excuse you.
Daddy. Yeah,
Excuse
Daddy.
you.
Give me a kiss, babe.
Nah. I think your stuff is ready.
So why the fuck you ain't take it out?
Because you in the damn way.
You know what? You know what? Don't mind y'all. I just asked him to give us something to drink to share. Are we sharing it? He drank most of it. Bring me back the cup, just like I said in the other vlog. Bring me back with something this much in the cup.
Why
Say you did it.
lying to these people?
Now I'm lying. I'm lying. I'm lying. With your greedy ass. With your greedy ass. Oh yeah, so y'all like my table? I got it from the thrift store. On Monday, that's the table right there, obviously. I'm pointing at it, and I like it because it has like these hard tiles in between. And then it has like this little area underneath, if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see that. And then we're sitting on the couch that I got. $30. Thrift store. Yeah, gotta love thrift store. Something the same color, but that wasn't cloth, so I got another leather one. And it goes perfectly with the little setup that I have. So, it's cool. But yeah, y'all, it's late. It's 9:42. Baby girl had a late nap, so that's why she's still up. Babe is being fat again. Look at his stomach. That's all we need to look at. Just that right there.
You know what, motherfucker?
Just that. That's all we need to look at.
Motherfucker.
Hold on. But yeah, so we're gonna go to bed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog, alright? See y'all when I see y'all. Yeah, say see y'all when I